Finally tonight, water and fountains have always been important symbols for Rome, and many of the water points are among the city's most well-known architectural works. But perhaps not as well known is the deep spiritual meaning that they hold. EWTN Vatican journalist Magdalena Valinsky-Reedy has more.
You might not be surprised to learn that Rome has the most churches in the world. But did you know it also has the most fountains? It began with the rise of the Roman Republic and Empire. Over the course of 500 years, 11 aqueducts were constructed to supply ancient Rome with fresh water from outside sources. But once the empire fell, the aqueducts were largely neglected. That changed in the 15th century when Pope Nicholas V initiated the restoration of the only functioning aqueduct, the Aqua Virgo. As his successors continued the trend of reconstructing the old watercourses, they also started building impressive structures at the water's arrival points. Thus, the golden age of the Roman fountains began.
Starting from the early modern period, in the 16th century, the popes contributed to the construction of the city's magnificence, each one wanting to leave their own mark. These marks can be seen on the grand papal palaces on one hand, but also on the fountains.
The most famous one is the Trevi Fountain. The iconic landmark attracts thousands of visitors every day. At the very top of the 86-foot-high structure is the coat of arms of Pope Clement XII, one of the fountain's patrons. Until 1870, the Pope was not only head of the Church, but also the sovereign ruler of the Papal States. For this reason, the fountains evolved from being simple drinking water points to important symbols of the Church's power and prosperity.
On Piazza Navona, the great fountain of the Four Rivers reminds us of the greatness and universality of Catholicism. The statues represent the four great rivers, in turn, representing Europe, Asia, Africa, and America, the four known continents on which the Pope had authority.
The Roman fountains also embody Christian truths, with the aim at directing the minds and hearts of its onlookers toward heaven.
Symbolically and religiously, the water represents the water of baptism, the water used for purification in religious rites, symbolizing the rebirth of a Christian.
Despite their age, some aqueducts still function and provide modern-day Rome with water, such as the Aqua Vergine. With its 2,500 symbolic water fountains scattered across the city, Rome has certainly earned its nickname, the Queen of Water. In Rome, Magdalena Valinsky-Reedy, EWTN News Nightly.